is a special day. After all the hard work of renovating this home, today is a celebration where the family actually gets to see the renovations that we did, and it's kind of like a new beginning for them, a new sense of hope.
We always do the projects for the kids, but ultimately the caretakers and the parents are the ones that see most of the benefit, because they're the ones every day having to bathe the child, help them use the toilet. So our expectation and our hope is that their life is easier because of the work we've done here.
Everyone's going to be in tears. I know I'm going to be in tears, and it just melts. It just melts your heart to see him be so happy, because these children, a lot of times they do have such a hard life and so many difficulties, and for something like this to just give them pure joy, it's a life-changing moment to see that.
So Dave is coming from Ride to Give. He came from New York. He left last Sunday. He's ridden 900 plus miles from New York to Georgia. They've raised, I think it's 82 or 83,000 up to the last hour or so that I looked. They will be coming in from Jefferson, and they'll be led by my husband's fire department, Harrisburg Fire Department, which is a local fire department.
When it first happens to you, you kind of feel, and it's nothing they do, but it's just a personal, emotional feeling. You feel indebted to them, you know, but for us to be able to do this, to help them, help another family, it makes you feel so good. You know, we're put in this situation, so for us to be able to help out others in the same, it's awesome. It just makes you feel really great.
Oh, you love the fan. Tell Pete he loves the fan. What do you think about this? Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. All the details. Oh, look, honey. Oh my gosh, look at this. Yeah. Ah. Sorry, Lori.
It's very emotional. I mean, seeing the family and seeing all these people is, I can't express in words. I start crying. I'm glad I was wearing my sunglasses out there, but it's just amazing, the outpouring of love and support for these beautiful families.
It's very exciting and very gratifying for us. I mean, we wish that every family that we worked with could have this. It's just amazing what this will do for the family. Just being able to help Connor safely get off his bed and into the bathroom and be able to take a shower with so much more ease than what they've had in the past.
Oh, there aren't words, to be honest with you. I mean, we knew it was going to be a firefighter theme, but the details and the personalization is just so heartwarming, and it just means so much, doesn't it, babe? I mean, it's gorgeous. We could never have envisioned this. The detail, just the lamps, the knobs, the hooks, I mean, every little corner there's something, and we had no idea.
It's almost like when he was born. It's just an emotion that's like you're just floating.
Yeah.